This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. This video shows how to easily cure the E03F08 error, which is almost always caused by using too much soap. So this will show you how to get your machine going quickly, and in the future using about half as much soap will probably cure the problem where you'll never have it happen again. This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and today we have a Whirlpool front-load washing machine that has a code F08E03. We're going to see if we can fix it. We have the door locked symbol on right now, and we're going to try a couple things. One is we'll just set it to normal, and we'll try the start button, see if anything happens. So we get a beep, same code. Let's try turning off the power. See, the power goes off, but you still have the door lock light going. So the other thing we can try is to unplug it for about 10 minutes and plug it back in. Let's see if that's going to do anything. I'm just going to unplug it. All right. If this video is helping you, please consider pressing down in the lower right-hand corner of your screen the subscribe button, and that really helps our channel. So even though it's unplugged, the door lock light will keep going for a little longer, and now it just went out. It took about maybe 30 seconds. Let's see if there's any change. So the door is still locked. All right, we're going to plug it back in, see if anything is different. All right, so we have the drain going. When we plugged it back in, the door lock light is still going. Let's see, it sounds like the door lock might have just let go. Let's take a look. All right, so maybe that reset it, just having it unplugged and plugging it back in. We'll take a try and post back here in a few minutes. So we opened the door and the clothes are still wet, so we're going to see if we can spin them out. So we'll power it on. I'm going to go to spin speed. Oh, I'm going to go to drain and spin on this model, which is easy. It's going to give me a 14-minute cycle. Press start, and that should start draining and should start spinning. We'll see if that's going to work. So if you get that code, don't panic. It just finished up the spin cycle and was able to spin the clothes out really well. First thing to try if you get the code is just to unplug it for about 10 minutes, plug it back in, and then start it back up and see if it's going to work. If not, then just remove 2 screws from the back up here behind this top panel. Slide the top panel back away from you, lift it off, and then reach down right about here, all the way down behind this lock. There's going to be a little plastic tab that you just lift up on. That'll manually unlock the door, and that'll reset everything. Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.